Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To locate the serial number on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514 ITL05, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and preferably a flashlight. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Start by flipping the laptop over. Look for the battery compartment. The serial number is often located near the battery or on a sticker that's affixed to the bottom panel. If you have a flashlight, using it can help illuminate the area for better visibility. Once you've located the sticker, take a moment to clean the area with a soft cloth. Dust can obscure the information, making it difficult to read. Now, carefully unscrew the screws securing the back panel. You might encounter different sizes, so keep track of them. It's important to use the right tools to avoid damaging the screws. As you remove the screws, place them in a small container to prevent loss. After all screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. This will give you access to internal components, and you may find the serial number printed on the motherboard as well. Again, clean any dust from the area for clarity. If you find this process challenging or if you don't have the right tools at hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you locate the serial number without the hassle of DIY. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary on your part. Once you have the serial number, you can use it for warranty claims or technical support. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After you've documented the serial number, carefully reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel on and align it properly before securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping. Finally, give your laptop a quick wipe down to keep it looking great. In conclusion, finding the serial number on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514 ITL05 is a straightforward process when you have the right tools and knowledge. If you prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember that our services are designed to make your life easier. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.